A book I want to give raving reviews about if you're into watercolor, and that's with Tony Couch. And it's called Watercolor, and you can do it. Tony Couch is a super swell supporter out there of the arts. So much so that I had contacted him, and he sent me a postcard or a little greeting card with it signed. I feel very privileged to have this card from a very honorable artist. His book is not as new as the books out there today, but I tell you what, the information in it is absolutely timeless. There's a glimpse into Tony's style. For those of you who aren't familiar with Tony Couch, he did star on the PBS series, a PBS series for a while there. And there's a picture of Tony, the author.
Now for the official review, presented by Friend for the Artists. Watercolor, You Can Do It, by Tony Couch. This is a book that teaches the basics and beyond of watercolor painting. The author is a professional artist and educator who shares his insights and tips on composition, color, value, and technique. The book is full of colorful examples and exercises that help the reader practice and improve their skills. The book is suitable for beginners as well as experienced painters who want to refine their style and learn from a master. The book is praised by many reviewers for its clear and understandable instruction, its inspiring and encouraging tone, and its comprehensive coverage of the principles of watercolor painting.
The book is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn how to paint with watercolor or enhance their existing abilities.
As a courtesy, I would do for any artists. I will close this review with an astounding revelation. Tony Couch is still teaching. He still has workshops. Check out www.tonycouch.com. Friend for the Artists is under no obligation for this mention. We do acknowledge legends.